Today we're making bacon stuffed jalapeno poppers. I made these last year for the 4th of July and they were a huge hit. Another easy and delicious appetizer, let's get started. Yes, we're putting a ton of bacon in our poppers. Honestly, cook up however much you want. You're not gonna break those poppers. The recipe says you'll need about 8 ounces of bacon cooked and chopped. I'm gonna eyeball it. Once it's done cooking, drain off that grease and set it off to the side to cool down. Next, you'll need 12 large jalapenos. I only have 7 here, which means we're gonna have some leftover filling. We're gonna slice off the tops, cut them in half, and take out the insides. What part of the jalapeno makes it so hot? The heat is all in the white membrane. Sure, the seeds might retain a little heat, but the majority of the heat, the stuff that's gonna make you cry or run for that glass of milk, is all in the white membrane. That being said, take that info and decide how hot you wanna make your poppers. I can't take too much heat without getting full-blown back-to-back hiccups, so today I'm removing most of the white membrane. To make the filling, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of green onions chopped. These are pretty thin. I think I'm just gonna use all of them. To a bowl, we're gonna need 1 block of softened cream cheese, that's 8 ounces. Add in the green onions we just chopped, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of shredded mild cheddar. I'm using a Fiesta blend. We also need 1 garlic clove minced. I love garlic, so we're definitely gonna add in 2. To the bowl. Now that our bacon has had a chance to fully cool, we're gonna chop this up even further. I like mine close to the same size as everything else, plus this way you're guaranteed to have bacon with every bite. This looks good, add that to the bowl. Now grab your fork and mix everything together. One of the great things about jalapeno poppers in general is the fact that they can be assembled the day before your event. Grab your cookie sheet, line it with some foil, arrange your jalapeno halves like so, grab one, scoop some filling, and fill that cavity. This looks good. Keep on going until you run out of jalapenos. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. I left mine in for the full 20 minutes. If you're worried about the filling sliding out of the popper during the cooking process, I've never had that problem. You can of course leave the tops on if you want. I've made these about a dozen times or so and I've never had that problem. If you're interested, I'll drop in an ingredients list right here. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.